Now 649 should be HST23. Turn on the flash.
Please turn on the flash.
IVA. This should be 649 should be IVA HST23. IVA HST23 confirm. 650 is Sony WM-SR10.
Please check this Sony. What is this?
650 Sony WM-SR10.
Oh yeah.
Sony WM-SR10 650 WM-SR10 is the model number here. So confirming it in list 650. Now 651 Lennox.
Please check.
651 is Lennox radio, Lennox sound radio, unique one, AM FM both. 651 confirmed. 652 is Casio AS301. 652 is 335. 652 Casio 301R. Turning for model number. This is Casio AS301R written here, and here also we have same. So 652 confirmed. Another one, come with another one.
652 is confirmed.
Yes.
Please check.
653
Walkman.
Sony Walkman. 653 FX153. Check the model. Yes, FX153. So this is FX153 Sony. 653 confirmed. 654 National Slim. 654. Bring 654 now.
Please check.
This is 654 National Slim EQ. So 654 National Slim EQ. 655 Sony WM F20. 655. Yes.
It is Sony Walkman.
Bring 655.
It is a collaboration radio.
Bring 655.
Please check.
655 is Walkman stereo, AM FM, and the model is radio cassette WMF something like that. WMF204. Yes, it is confirmed from list also. WMF204. 655.
656. Please check. It is Sharp radio.
656. We have got this Sharp radio, and for model we have to take it back. It is already a unique one. We have seen auto reverse function, so we are confirming this. 656 Sharp radio. 657 is SR2000 series. 657
It is
SR2000 series.
Oh, it is a unique
657 SR2000 series unique radio. Confirming this. 657.
Videocon.
658 is Videocon K13033. Beautiful radio. Ricky Ponting. This is signed by Ricky Ponting. Walkie 1303 Videocon.
Oh, it is very.
And it is KT3033658. So confirming this.
659 Sony Walkman.
Is this a radio or Walkman? It is not a radio, I think.
It is a radio.
No, it is not a radio. So pause the video. 658 now. This is Jaeger, and this is AM FM radio, special radio. Already looks unique, so we are confirming it. 658.
Please check this Sony
This
Walkman.
is really special radio.
Jaeger.
This looks really special. So specialty is this much that we are not able to
Like this.
Okay. So
Can I do?
So we are keeping it like this. 658.
It is
658 Jaeger. confirmed.
Sony Walkman
658 Jagger, confirmed. 659 is Sony Walkman plus radio. Walkman and radio both. Sony model number is 1535. Sony 1535, confirmed. 660 is Sharp JC. 660 Sharp JC 202. Sharp 660 Sharp JC 202. Auto reverse. This is also a radio with cassette player. Sharp 10 kHz. E-graphic equalizer. 660 Sony JC 202. Confirming the model. JC 202 here. Sharp JC 202. 660. 661 is Sony Sports. Bring that one.
Please check this. It has a special edition. Sony Sports. Only two. One is this.
Turn the flash. Now 661 is Walkman FM and AM sports version. This already looks unique, so we are confirming it. 661 Sony Sports. 662 is, it is an all-weather. Bring 662. 662 bring.
Please. Please check this.
662. 662 is again a stereo cassette and radio, all-weather. 662. And the Citizen company model is JWS. So confirming it. C62. 663 is Toshiba KT.
Please check.
663 Toshiba KT. 663.
Please.
663 is this Dynabass metal tape AM FM and stereo. This is from Toshiba company. So this is Toshiba KT4051. Confirming it. KT4051. 663. 664 Sanyo.
Please check. It is Sanyo.
Sanyo 664. Sanyo AM FM and stereo cassette player. 664 with model number MGR78. 664 done. Now moving on to 665
Sony Walkman FM.
Sony FM AM 665. WMF F16 is the model. So WMF16 confirmed. 666 666. Bring 666. 666 is the stereo Sanyo, and model number is MGR59, this one. So we are confirming it. 666. 667.
Please check. Stereo.
667 is this stereo MG41 with FM. MG41 MGR41. 667 confirmed. 668 Aiwa.
Please check. I have so much.
668. 668 is stereo cassette player and FM both. So Aiwa company, and CSJ1 is the model number. Confirming it. CSJ1. 661 done. Now we have got
Please check.
669 Sanyo. 669 Sanyo MG32. 669 Sanyo AM FM both. So confirming this. This is 669 done. 670 Hosel. 670 Hosel. 670 Hosel.
It is cover. It is a
670
special
Hosel.
edition. Hosa company.
Hosel is 670 hi-fi sound with FM. 3-band equalizer, radio and stereo cassette player. Hauser W301 is the model name, so we are confirming it. Hauser W301 W301 PS. Okay, 671.
Let's check this Sony Sports Edition Walkman.
Put Hauser back in box. 671 is Sony Sports again. So, but this one is unique from, this one is different from the earlier ones. It has some display in that wall display also. This looks very enthusiastic radio. The model number is WM4 P58, something like that. Yeah, MWAM4 P58, Sony 671. Done.
Again Sony. Let's check. Again Sony radio.
672 Sony again. 672 Sony again. FM AM. 672 we have done. WM-F31 is the model number, so MWF31 672 done.
Again Sony Walkman and FM. Let's 674 is missing.
We have done 673 Sony Walkman with AM FM, and model is GX50. So 674 GX50, 673 done.
674 is missing.
74 is missing. Pause the video.